The sun shines high in the sky, and the cheerful chirping of birds fills the air. Welcome to your home in your outdoor space, where creativity and nature merge in perfect harmony. Are you ready for an unrivaled furnishing adventure? Today, we will venture into a world of ideas and inspirations to transform your terrace into a personal paradise. Together, we will discover the magical balance between design and functionality, where every detail is a note of beauty in the symphony of your outdoor space. Your smile is evidence of your enthusiasm as we journey through a series of enchanting outdoor spaces with elegant details and lush plants. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious terrace, creative solutions adapt to every space. We will learn how to capture the perfect sunlight, create relaxation corners, and add that touch of personality that will transform your terrace into a unique extension of your home. Sharpen your mind and take notes, because today we will guide you through the art of furnishing your outdoor space. It's time to begin this extraordinary adventure. You need to consider many technical factors often overlooked by those who are not in the field, such as how the sun moves in relation to the space, the frequency, quantity, and direction of the prevailing wind, or how to manage rainwater in case of rain. Only after asking these questions can the project for the open space begin. And, if well thought out, it can provide an optimal solution that is both aesthetically pleasing. The 6 things to consider when furnishing a modern terrace. Furnishing a terrace is not much different from furnishing a garden, it's just that these are places at different heights. Furnishing a garden and a terrace may seem simple, but in reality, as mentioned, it is more complex than it appears. First and foremost, you need to pay close attention to the weather conditions of the location. But, at least in my point of view, you should also try to establish a strong relationship between the interior of the house and the terrace itself. Only in this way does the outdoor project become unique and specific to that particular situation. In any case, I would like to share with you the principles that form the basis of every terrace furnishing project. Let's discover them together. Flooring. One of the fundamental initial steps in furnishing a terrace is to install the flooring. Often you may come across terraces or balconies that are not paved, but are simply covered with bituminous coating or loose gravel. Other times, the terrace may already be paved, but the question remains the same. What type of flooring is there? Is it truly the best functional and aesthetic solution? Unfortunately, the answer is usually no. The best types of flooring for a terrace typically fall into 2 categories: outdoor porcelain or terracotta tiles, or the ever-magnificent wooden deck, available in various materials and colors. In recent years, new generation composite materials with low maintenance requirements have also gained popularity. There are numerous formats and finishes available to safely and easily floor your terrace. It's just a matter of carefully evaluating your choice. Sun protection. It may seem obvious, but to furnish a terrace optimally, you need to provide a sun protection system. Of course, you don't need to cover the entire terrace, but shading at least a small part is essential. There are many possibilities for achieving this. Protection from the sun. For instance, you can consider installing a pergola or a gazebo with adjustable louvers or sliding curtains. Alternatively, you can evaluate installing 1 or more sails, anchoring each of them to 3 fixed points on the terrace, isolated poles or hooks on the exterior wall of the house. Alternatively, you can opt for a more traditional, simple, and cost-effective solution: the beloved old umbrella. However, in this case, it's crucial to anchor it securely, as a strong gust of wind could cause it to take flight and potentially cause damage when it falls to the ground. Exclusive space for relaxation. Once you've created a space to shield yourself from the sun, you should then think about a place for socializing and relaxation. Even the most basic projects for furnishing small terraces should include at least a small table with 2 chairs. Starting from this simple example, to furnish a terrace in a functional and comfortable way, you need to identify a spot to place a table around which you can eat and spend time with friends. If space allows, it would be useful to consider adding a small sitting area composed of 2 or more chairs, or an outdoor sofa with the obligatory coffee table. If you're a true relaxation enthusiast, and your home's structure and terrace space allow for it, consider the installation of a modern small pool. selection of plants and flowers. Furnishing a terrace without including flowers and plants is a crime. The fundamental rule when choosing plant varieties is to select those that are resilient in all seasons and require minimal maintenance. Pay special attention to the exposure of each plant, full sunshade or partial shade, based on its preference for direct or indirect light. When it comes to plants and flowers, the options are truly limitless. The choice of greenery can vary depending on the type of project and the context in which the terrace is located. One piece of advice I feel compelled to remind you of. If you love to cook, don't forget to include some aromatic plants, especially mint, which not only enhances your dishes but also helps keep those pesky mosquitoes away. Outdoor brick kitchen. If you're a passionate cook who enjoys whipping up delicious dishes in your spare time, don't forget to furnish your terrace with a dedicated kitchen space. I say don't forget because it often happens that people only think about the kitchen once the project is complete, and planning a dedicated area for it becomes much more challenging. Indeed, given the technical challenges that come with an outdoor kitchen, it should be considered from the outset and placed at the foundation of the terrace furnishing project. Once you've identified its ideal location within the open space, you can dive into its configuration by designing cooking areas and countertops that complement the rest of the terrace. But there's one more crucial thing to furnish the terrace in the best possible way. Lighting. Terrace lighting needs to be carefully planned and shouldn't be limited to a few hardware store spotlights scattered here and there. Just like garden lighting, the illumination of a terrace should be custom designed based on the individual project. To achieve proper terrace lighting, you should definitely consider providing direct general lighting, perhaps with spotlights strategically placed throughout the terrace. But you should also plan for ambient lighting for those moments when you want to enjoy your terrace in complete relaxation. This is what will truly make a difference. To create a romantic atmosphere with soft, relaxing light, consider choosing dimmed lights, perhaps hidden by using parts of the furnishings or special corners. Additionally, consider using lanterns or string lights above the main table. This will create a joyful and festive effect, perfect for social gatherings. If it's not feasible to incorporate this type of lighting, remember that you can always rely on the beloved and classic candles, which are always stunning and highly effective. Plants intertwines with the colors of flowers and furnishings. Here are some tips on how to color your balcony with plants, pots, rugs, and furnishings, turning it into a welcoming and vibrant retreat. Start your balcony adventure by planning carefully. Examine the size and layout of your space and envision where each element will find its home. Plants will be the stars, so choose a variety of species with different colors and heights. Consult a local expert to ensure you select plants suitable for your climate and outdoor conditions. Pots are your means of expressing creativity. Choose pots of various styles and sizes. Don't be afraid to paint them with vivid colors or decorate them with patterns that represent you. Pots become works of art in this urban garden. To define different areas of your balcony, use outdoor rugs with bold colors or interesting patterns. Rugs add a touch of warmth and steel to your space, while also protecting the floor. Outdoor furniture should be an extension of your colorful theme. Choose furniture with eye-catching colors that seamlessly integrate with your lively balcony. Brightly colored cushions can make the furniture even more inviting. Decorative accessories like cushions, lanterns, scented candles, and decorative items bring essential details. Choose items in vibrant colors to accentuate the feeling of liveliness. Decorate the walls and railings of the balcony if possible. Paintings, decorative panels, or colorful garlands can make the entire space even more charming. Light up your evenings on the balcony with decorative lights or LED lanterns in eye-catching colors. Candles or string lights create a magical atmosphere as the sun sets. Don't forget about maintenance. Water your plants regularly and provide them with the right amount of light. Keep the furniture and rugs clean to maintain their fresh and vibrant appearance. Your balcony, now a symphony of colors, is ready to become your personal haven. A place where you can relax, socialize, and find inspiration every day. With a little planning and creativity, you have brought a unique corner to life that will fill you with joy and see to speak charm. Eye furnishings for the balcony can be functional, aesthetically pleasing, and often compact to fit the limited space. Here are some common options. Chairs and tables. Folding chairs and compact tables are ideal for smaller balconies. You can opt for a small bistro table with 2 chairs or a bench with cushions. Choose weather-resistant materials like metal, treated wood, or plastic. Sofas and armchairs. If you have a larger space, consider adding sofas or armchairs for extra comfort. Outdoor furniture is available in various styles, from modern to traditional. Benches with storage space. Benches with storage space under the seat are ideal for smaller balconies. You can store cushions, blankets, or seasonal items inside. Coffee tables. A small and lightweight coffee table can be practical for placing drinks or snacks. It can also be foldable to save space when not in use. Rugs. Outdoor rugs add color and define the space. Choose weather-resistant rugs that can withstand exposure to sun and rain. Shelves and shelving. Shelves or shelving units can be mounted on the walls of the balcony to hold plants, books, candles, or decorative items. Lighting. Add lighting with freestanding lanterns, solar-powered LED lights, or wall-mounted lights. Candles or string lights can create a cozy atmosphere. Cushions and covers. Use cushions to make seating more comfortable and covers to protect furniture from the elements. Umbrellas and awnings. Balcony umbrellas or awnings provide shade and protection from the sun. You can choose from a variety of colors and styles. Decorative accessories. Add decorative details such as flower pots, sculptures, paintings, or mirrors to personalize your balcony. When choosing furniture, make sure it is made of weather-resistant materials to ensure its durability over time. Consider your personal style and the functionality of the furniture based on your needs and the type of activities you plan to do on the balcony.